revealing the first small root, a vivid sign that life has begun. From the sprouting seeds, farmers begin the planting process. They gently dig small holes, place each seed inside, and cover it with loose, airy soil. Finally, a layer of dry straw is spread on top, like a natural blanket protecting the tiny green sprouts from scorching sun and heavy rain, allowing them to safely push through and grow. As the sprouted jackfruit seeds begin to grow and push out tender green shoots, the grafting process is initiated. Farmers carefully select healthy buds from mother trees known for producing quality fruit, then skillfully attach them to the young seedlings, securing them with a thin layer of plastic film. After 7 to 10 days, once the grafted shoots emerge bright and green, the plastic wrap is removed. Successfully grafted plants are then selected and transplanted into soil, marking the start of their journey toward fruit production. With 3 to 5 years of meticulous care, including watering, fertilizing, and pest control, the mature jackfruit trees begin to yield their first fruits. Though the initial output may be modest, it signifies that the trees have adapted well and are ready to enter a stable, productive phase. As time passes, the jackfruit trees stand resilient against the sun and wind, and by the vibrant month of September, the entire orchard glows with golden hues. The plump, fragrant jackfruits peek out from beneath their leafy canopy, announcing that the harvest season has truly arrived. Recognizing a ripe jackfruit is not as straightforward as with most other fruits. When it reaches maturity, its leaves darken to a deeper green, the outer skin transitions from green to yellow, the spikes on its surface loosen slightly, and the stem begins to ooze sap. These signs typically appear in fruits weighing between 10 to 30 kilograms, the ideal size for commercial harvesting. Each jackfruit is carefully wrapped in a green mesh bag, a protective layer that shields it from insects, harsh sunlight, and physical impacts during its final growth stages. In large-scale jackfruit orchards, where hundreds of fruits can be harvested daily, workers use specialized tools with long handles and razor-sharp blades for the harvest. With a swift and precise cut, the blade navigates through dense foliage, swiftly bringing down even the enormous jackfruits hanging high above. Every cut demands absolute precision to prevent scarring the fruit's skin or breaking tender branches. Only seasoned farmers, often those with over a decade of experience, can distinguish between a fruit that has reached perfect sweetness and one that still needs more sunlight. Yet, jackfruit harvesting is far from simple. To reach fruits suspended over 3 meters high, farmers must secure themselves on sturdy ladders and carefully climb through dense branches. Once close enough, they must move cautiously across limbs, mindful not to damage young branches. When finally positioned, they make a decisive cut at the stem, slowly lowering the fruit with full concentration and strength, never allowing it to fall freely, as a single impact could bruise the flesh, scrape the skin, and reduce its value. In the canal-side orchards Klong of central Thailand, farmers have devised an ingenious harvesting method. Instead of carrying the heavy fruits manually, they cut them and let them directly into the canal. They then navigate along the water in boats to collect the floating jackfruits, maximizing efficiency by utilizing the natural waterways to swiftly transport the harvest to bustling floating markets. The freshly harvested jackfruits, bursting with vitality, are carefully loaded onto pickup trucks and motorbikes, ready for their journey to the collection point. There they undergo meticulous pre-processing, trimming leaves and stems to enhance their appearance. Once prepared, these pristine jackfruits continue their journey, traveling to bustling markets or processing factories where they are transformed into delicious dried jackfruit.